Hi, this is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on how to prevent changes to your settings by your children or others, and also to keep them safer. Microsoft has a free product called Steady State. I'm here on that site now. I've put a download link in the show notes. Steady State allows you to take some control to keep your machine in a steady state. Lots of information available on the web page. Here's the program right here. Really excellent help. You can go in here to set computer restrictions, and it covers the full gamut of things that you might want to restrict. You can tell it not to cache copies of lacked or roaming user profiles. You can remove the administrator username from the welcome screen. You can prevent users from creating folders and files on drive C. Have it not store usernames or passwords. You can prevent write access to USB devices so they can't copy something off and put it on a USB drive. All of these different options. And when you make the changes, you'll have to do a restart of Windows for them to take effect. You can schedule software updates to be handled by Steady State. You can also schedule security program updates, custom updates. So you can go in, you can protect the hard disk by turning on Windows Disk Protection. That creates a large cache on your disk, so I'm not going to do it right now because it will take up too much time. But when you turn it on, you can choose a level of Windows Disk Protection for this computer, remove changes at restart, retain changes temporarily, and you can set dates, retain all changes permanently. So this is Steady State. It's an excellent free way for you to stop your children from making changes to your settings and to keep them a little bit safer. And that's all there is to it.